Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel.
I use 6 millimeters hook and yarn. Make a slip knot and chaining. Yarn over, make chains. I made 30 chains. Make one more chain, skip this chain, go to next chain, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, make one single crochet, yarn over, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, make one double crochet, go to next chain, make one single crochet, one double crochet, one single crochet, one double crochet, go to next stitch, make one single crochet, go to next stitch, make one double crochet, one single crochet, one double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, and continue like this for this row. Into last stitch, make one single crochet, one double crochet, make a chain, turn it in first stitch in here, top up double crochet, make one single crochet, go to next stitch, top up single crochet, make one double crochet, go to next stitch, make one single crochet, go to next stitch, make one double crochet, one single crochet, one double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, and continue like this, single crochet, double crochet. Into last stitch, make one single crochet, go to last stitch, make one double crochet, make a chain, turn it, go to first stitch, make one single crochet, go to next stitch, make one double crochet, one single crochet, one double crochet, one single crochet, one double crochet, and continue like this. Make a slip knot and chaining 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I made 20 chains. Skip one chain, go to next chain, make one single crochet, make one single crochet in each stitch. Continue like this for this row. Make one single crochet in each stitch, make one single crochet in last chain, make a chain, turn it. Take these 2 yarns on your hook, make 1 single crochet in each stitch. One single crochet and continue like this. Go to last stitch, make 1 single crochet, make a chain, turn it, make 1 single crochet in each stitch. And continue like this. I have 86 centimeters in here, 16 in here, 102 centimeters in here, 28 centimeters in here. Fold this part and join 2 sides together. This is back of work. Go to corner, fix these corners together. Take back loops and join 2 sides together. Take these loops. I join 2 sides together. In this part, this is a back of work. Fold it like this, 2 centimeters. Join these sides together like this, like the other side. Fold this part, marked here. Pull these yarns like this and measure with this part. Measure the two parts together